Jolly and welcome to my channel. I'm currently at the Philippine Post Office and I picked up a package from Jackson's Art. And when I get home, I'm gonna show you what I bought. So yeah, I'm so excited. Hey guys, so I just came home and we are going to unbox the Jackson's Art package. I'm so sorry if it's a little gloomy. It suddenly rained this afternoon when I got home. And so this is the package. And let's see what's inside. I got 3 items. Okay. Okay. So I first have this 20 by 20 centimeters. I think it should be roughly 8 inches by 8 inches, but this is what it looks like. The price is, it's roughly around $6. Okay, and then excuse me. And then I got a bigger sketchbook from Caddy as well. I made a mistake during the last video. I told you guys that this is 210 GSM, but it's not. It's only 150 GSM. So this one is just gonna read. So this is a hardbound sketchbook from Caddy. It's 210 GSM and it's also rough. So the size is 21 by 25 centimeters. And the price is roughly $20, so it's more expensive. And it looks like this. So the cover is color brown. It looks like craft paper, but it looks good. I'm gonna try to open it for you guys. So you also still have the deckled edges. Okay. And look, it looks like it's stitched. Oh yeah, it is stitched here. Okay, so the texture is, it's almost the same as the other journal, the softbound journal, but you can definitely see that this is way thicker than the other journal. And well, it does lay quite flat, I mean not bad. And you have so many pages. It says here that it's 32 pages, but I think this is more than 32 pages. So I'm excited to try this. So the deckled edges are only in this area, but at the top and bottom it's straight cut. Well, it looks good. And then lastly, I've been waiting for this. But then the bottom got damaged a little. Yeah, because they tried to fit this in this box, and if you notice, yeah, it doesn't have that much allowance, so that's why this this side is quite bent. Let me show you. Yeah. Okay. So this is the Stonehenge Aqua Cold Press black paper. So this is black watercolor paper, and I'm really excited to try it. So I'm not sure if the regular watercolor will show up on this paper, or if I should use metallic paints, or maybe gouache will look good here. Yes, so this is good. It says here that I think you can use watercolor, acrylics, and pencils. And this is 15 sheets. I got the 9 by 12 inches. They also sell 8 by 10, which is a little cheaper. So this is roughly $22 for one pad. So we are gonna try this next time. Okay, so now that I have the hardbound here with me, I feel like I prefer the softbound better, because this is actually quite heavy and I don't think that I can bring this out. This would be more handy for me. So I guess if you love painting outside, I would suggest getting the softbound, because it's lighter in weight, and yeah, it's easier to put in your bag. It's not so bulky compared to this, right? So yeah, so that's it for my vlog. I know this is such a short video. I just wanted to show you guys the things that I got from Jackson's Art. And if you guys didn't know, I have an affiliate link with Jackson's Art, and this is not a sponsored video. I'm just sharing you the link because if it's your first time to purchase from them, you can get 10% off on your first purchase using my affiliate link. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe now so you can watch more of my future art videos whenever I upload. So I hope to see you next time. Bye.